This mom has 4 little mouths to feed. She needs to hunt, and for the best chance of success, she must leave the cubs behind. Their survival depends on her stealth and cunning. Guanico, an ancient ancestor of the domestic llama and her main prey. Blending into the landscape is her best chance of an ambush. Four out of 5 Puma hunts end in failure. Compelled to find another opportunity to feed her cubs, she will keep the family moving. They're not the only pumas looking for food. Close by, a younger, lone female is also on the hunt. From her high vantage point, she spots a herd. With their backs to a lake, their escape options are limited. To bring down an animal that is up to 3 times heavier than her, she'll need everything to go her way. Battered and bruised, it's another missed opportunity.